Every day I have conversations with homeowners and home buyers, so I thought I would share with you all my Knoxville, Tennessee housing market prediction for the remainder of the 2023 year and kind of over the next few years. And just to get straight to the point, I think home prices will soften some, but home buyers will still be complaining about the low levels of inventory for the next several years. And let me explain why I think that and how it's going to have an impact on our housing market. So first, I want to talk about the interest rates. Naturally, if interest rates rise this year like they are expected to, it's going to soften home prices across the country, but nothing too alarming and nothing to really be worried about too much. When interest rates were historically low, a lot of homeowners refinance their homes, and they have interest rates less than a 4% on a 30-year fixed. I even saw some people get less than a 2% on a 30-year note, which is crazy. That kind of ties into my next topic, is the low level of inventory. Those homeowners that refinanced, which a lot did, there's not much motivation for them to move at all. And before I get too much into the low level of inventory, I do think it's important to keep in the back of our minds that there's about 415 families every single month, a net of 415 families every month moving to the Knoxville area. So when I'm having a conversation with a homeowner, a lot of them will say to me, "Yeah, Patrick, we would love to sell our home, but we've looked online and we just can't find anything that fits our needs." And kind of part of the problem or why they're saying that is because there's not enough new construction homes that are being built to keep up with the demand. The new construction homes that are being built, the problem with them that a lot of homeowners have is that they're on really small lots and you're really close to the neighbors. If you live in Knoxville right now and you look at an established neighborhood that has been around for a while, you have space between you and your neighbor, and they're on a pretty decent sized lot. But they're not building them like that anymore today. And you can't really blame the builders because labor's so high and material is so high that they got to squeeze these homes on really small lots. So if there are homeowners who would like to sell, but they're not putting their homes on the market, and there's not enough new construction homes being built to keep up with the demand, my big question is, what is going to cause the change from a seller's market to a buyer's market? And just to be clear, a seller's market is when there are less homes for sale than there are buyers. A buyer's market is when there are more homes for sale than there are buyers. Even though rates may rise some, I don't see there being any major market crash like you see some YouTube videos that talk about. At least here in Knoxville, I think it's going to remain pretty stable. You will see a little correction maybe, but that's about it. So I still think the low inventory is going to be here for the foreseeable future. My name is Patrick Goswitz. I'm a real estate broker here in the Knoxville area. If I can help you with any of your real estate needs, please feel free to reach out to me. Also, I will leave a link in the description below. You can sign up for a monthly email. We send the market stats that breaks down each price range so you know exactly what's going on. It's free. We just send it out one time a month. Sign up for that. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what you think the Knoxville housing market is going to do over this year in 2023 and maybe the next few years. I'll see you in the next video.